In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a bracket in Google Docs. Whether you're working on a project and need to add some organization to your document, or you're simply looking to style your text in a creative way, inserting brackets in Google Docs is a straightforward process. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to open your document in Google Docs if you haven't already. Once you're in the document, focus your attention on the top of the screen where you'll see the menu options. Here, you'll want to click on the Insert tab. This action will bring up a menu with a variety of features you can add to your document. Whether it's images, charts, or symbols, this menu has got you covered. Since we're focusing on adding brackets, you'll want to move your cursor down to the Symbols section. Hovering over this will bring up another menu with an option called Special Characters. Go ahead and click on Special Characters to open up a specialized window. In this new window, you'll notice a blank field that allows you to either draw or type what you're searching for. For those of you who enjoy drawing, you can try sketching the shape of a bracket in the left pane. However, if you're like me and prefer a more straightforward approach, there's a simple and effective search method available. Direct your attention to the top of the window, where you'll find a search bar. Here, simply type the word bracket. Once you do, a collection of various bracket symbols will appear below. This array includes different styles and designs, so take your time to scroll through and explore your options. When you find the bracket style that matches your needs, click on it. You've now successfully inserted the bracket into your document, but we're not done just yet. You might want to ensure that the size of your bracket is appropriately visible and aligns well with your text. You can do this by clicking on the bracket in your document and, like regular text, adjust the font size using the toolbar at the top. Don't hesitate to experiment a little with the sizing until the bracket looks just right within your document's flow. And there you have it. That's how to make a bracket in Google Docs in just a few easy steps. I hope this guide was helpful for you. If you found value in this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.